Hello guys, this is Tech Screen USA channel. My name is John McGarry. In this video I will show you how to do hard reset Samsung phone. Let's start. Go to settings. So it's settings. Click go to back and general management. Click go back. We need user as search. At search, click go right a hard reset. Hard reset. No, hard reset. Okay. Yes, general management. Click at so reset language and import data and time contact us. Reset. Click reset. It's reset setting, reset network setting, reset accessibility setting, factory data reset, auto restore. Very important. In the right order. One way, it's factory data reset. One way. Reset setting, reset network settings. Two way. And reset accessibility settings. Three way. In the right order. 4 reset settings. It's finished. Guys and girls, it's very simple. Click like in this video and subscribe and my channel Tech Screen USA. Thank you for watching.